In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup in GoDaddy cPanel. If you need to recover your website files or bring back a database from a previous backup. The backup wizard inside cPanel makes the process much more manageable. This is especially useful if something was accidentally deleted, a site update caused problems, or you simply need to roll back to an earlier version. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can complete the restore confidently. To begin, open your GoDaddy cPanel account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the backup wizard. This tool is designed to guide you through both creating backups and restoring them, so it's a good place to work if you want a simpler, more guided experience than handling files manually. After opening the backup wizard, click Restore. This will take you to the section where you can choose what kind of backup you want to recover. At this point, it's important to know what you're restoring because the option you choose should match the type of backup file you already have available. You'll now choose the restore type. If you need to bring back your website files, select Home Directory. This option is typically used for restoring the main file structure of your site, including things stored in your hosting account's directory. If the issue is related to your website's database, such as missing content, broken settings, or database-driven site errors, choose MySQL databases instead. Picking the correct restore type helps make sure the backup is applied to the right part of your hosting account. Once you've selected the correct restore category, upload your backup file. Make sure you're using the appropriate backup file for the section you're restoring, since uploading the wrong type may cause the restore to fail or not produce the result you expect. Depending on the file size, this upload may take a little time, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page while the process is running. When the file has finished uploading, click Restore. cPanel will then begin processing the backup and applying it to your account. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on the size of the backup and the type of data being restored. After the restore is complete, it's a good idea to check your website or database-related functionality to confirm everything has been restored properly. And that's it. That's how to restore a backup in GoDaddy cPanel using the backup wizard.